गुड इवनिंग बेटा। लास्ट टाइम हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 एक्सप्लेन किए थे। तो आज मैं क्वेश्चन आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19। ओके, तो लास्ट टाइम में मैंने आपको बताया था बेटा, अमाउंट रिसीव फॉर सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरिंग द ईयर में क्या क्या अमाउंट ऐड करते हैं, प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन करेंट ईयर माइनस आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रीवियस ईयर, लेस एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रीवियस ईयर, एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रीवियस ईयर प्लस करना है, और एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव इन द ड्यूरिंग द ईयर फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, उस अमाउंट को हम माइनस करेंगे। तो आज करूँगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 एक्सप्लेन। देखिए ध्यान से। तो फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन कैलकुलेट अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन टू बी credited in the income and expenditure account. So first one, subscription received during the year rupees 3 lakh. So first one, subscription received during the year rupees 3 lakh. Next one, subscription in arrear. This time 1st April 2019, it means previous year. So subscription in arrear, it means outstanding subscription for previous year. So current year of outstanding subscription plus an outstanding subscription for previous year minus. So subscription in arrear on 1st April 2019. स्टार्टिंग मैंने आपको बताया था बिगनिंग द ईयर और प्रीवियस ईयर, इट मीन्स सेम। तो सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर एट द टाइम ऑफ बिगनिंग ऑफ ईयर, इट मीन्स प्रीवियस ईयर। क्या करेंगे बेटा, इसको लेस करेंगे इस अमाउंट को। सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस फॉर करेंट ईयर एंड पेड इन द प्रीवियस ईयर। सो प्रीवियस ईयर के डाटा में दिए हुए हैं आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रीवियस ईयर, तो इस अमाउंट को क्या करना है, माइनस एंड एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन, सो इस अमाउंट इज प्लस। एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर 31st March 2020, आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन, इट मीन्स करेंट ईयर सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट रुपीज 25,000 प्लस एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर रुपीज 70,000। तो प्रीवियस ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग रुपीज 50,000 माइनस एंड करेंट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन और सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर प्लस, सो रुपीज 25,000 प्लस एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्रीवियस ईयर माइनस अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मेट मैंने आपको बताया था, इस अमाउंट इज रुपीज 50,000, सो इट इज अ माइनस एंड advance subscription for current year, its amount is minus. क्लियर है। सो अमाउंट रिसीव्ड प्लस क्या करते हैं, आउटस्टैंडिंग करेंट ईयर और क्लोजिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग, इट मीन्स आउटस्टैंडिंग बिगनिंग द ईयर। एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन, इट मीन्स ओपनिंग एडवांस ऐड करेंगे और क्लोजिंग एडवांस माइनस करेंगे। सो टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन रुपीज 2,35,000। तो ये थे क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका 19th। तो अभी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 20। फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर calculate this one, from the following particular calculate amount of subscription to be credited in income and expenditure account. for the year ended 31st March 2020. So A, subscription in arrear on 31st March 2019. It means it is an outstanding subscription for previous year. Next one, B, subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019 for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means it is a advance subscription which is received on 31st March 2019 for the year ended 31st March 2020. So it is an advance of previous year. C, total subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020, 35,400. So it is an amount of subscription received 35,400. So first one, 35,400 amount received for subscription. Okay. Include rupees 400 for the year ended 31st March 2019. In question given under head of A, subscription in arrear of previous year rupees 500 per outstanding subscription of previous year including in subscription received rupees 400. So its amount is minus. Why? So it is outstanding subscription for previous year including its amount. So it is a not entered anywhere in the answer. So amount of subscription received 35,400 including outstanding subscription for previous year 400. Next one, 1200 for the year ended 31st March 2021. It means next year. So advance for next year rupees 1200. Its amount is minus, and 300 for the year ended 31st March 2022 after next year. So previous year's outstanding subscription minus current year outstanding subscription plus previous year advance plus and next year after next year advance subscription amount are less from the amount received of subscription. So amount rupees 400 outstanding subscription for previous year, its amount is minus from the 5,400 and it is a advance subscription for next year. So its amount is minus from 35,400 and 300 for the year ended 31st March 2022. So after next year, so it is an advance. So it is minus from 35,400. Okay, next one. Subscription outstanding for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means subscription outstanding for current year. It is a subscription received in advance for previous year. Subscription received in advance for previous year. Amount added in subscription received. It is a outstanding subscription for current year. So its amount added in subscription received. Okay. So 35,400 plus 1,100 plus 400 and outstanding subscription for previous year less from its amount and advance subscription for next year and after next year. So its amount are less is from 35,400 plus 1100 plus 400 and less rupees 400, 1200 and 300. Clear? Again, amount subscription received of current year plus outstanding subscription for current year rupees 400, outstanding subscription for previous year rupees 400. So it is the amount added from subscription received, added in subscription received, and its amount are less from subscription received. Advance subscription for previous year, so this amount it is 1100, and advance subscription for next year rupees 1200, and after next year rupees 300. So outstanding subscription current year plus an outstanding subscription previous year minus advance subscription for previous year minus an advance subscription for next year plus. So it is a question number 20. तो अब आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, जिसमें बेटा अलग अलग कंडीशंस हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन given a 5 condition related to subscription. Okay, so question number 24. So question number 24, calculate amount of subscription which will be treated as income for the year ended 31st March 2020 for each of the following cases. So cases number first, first one, subscription collected during the year. It means amount received for subscription during the year. Next one, subscription in arrear. It means outstanding for the year ended 31st March 2020 or 31st March 2020. It means current year. So subscription, it means outstanding subscription for current year. So its amount added from amount of subscription received. Next one, third point, subscription received in advance for the year ended 31st March 2021. It means advance subscription for next year. So first one, subscription received for a subscription received in current year rupees 2,50,000. तो subscription received rupees 2,50,000 in current year plus, it means add outstanding subscription for current year rupees 6,000. So its amounts added from 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 add rupees 6,000 and less advance subscription for next year. It means 2020, rupees 5,000. So subscription receipt amount 2,50,000. Outstanding subscription for current year rupees 6,000. And advance subscription for next year rupees 5,000. So 2,50,000 plus 6, 256 minus 5. So 2,51,000. It is a subscription income for current year. Subscription income for current year. So its amount show in income and expenditure account credit side. ये 24th क्वेश्चन में केस नंबर फर्स्ट था बेटा. अब केस नंबर सेकंड देखते हैं. सो केस नंबर सेकंड, सब्सक्रिप्शन कलेक्ट ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. इट मीन्स सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर रुपीज 49,000 ended 31st March 2020. So it is the amount received for current year. Second, subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020 collected in the year ended 31st March 2019. It means 2019 में ही आपने 2020 की अमाउंट कलेक्ट कर ली. It means advance received in previous year for current year. So advance received in previous year amount less is in receive of subscription in current year. Okay. Next one, subscription unpaid for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means current year. Unpaid or arrear or outstanding, it means same. So outstanding subscription for current year rupees 2,000. It is the amount. Its amount are plus or added in 49,000. Or advance subscription for previous year, its amount is less in 49,000. So first one, subscription received. Subscription received in current year rupees 49,000. Add, एक्चुअल में लेस या ऐड कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन हम ऐड वाले टेंशन लिखते हैं, उसके बाद लेस वाले. सो ऐड आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर करेंट ईयर. इट मीन्स 31st March 2020 amount rupees. So outstanding subscription for current year rupees 2,000 and less advance subscription in the previous year rupees 3,000. So amount of subscription, it means subscription income for current year 49,000 plus 2,000 minus 3,000. So amount rupees 48,000 of subscription income which is entered in income and expenditure account credit side. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 में फर्स्ट कंडीशन कर लिया हमने, सेकंड कंडीशन कर लिया। मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 आपको इसलिए करा रहा हूँ कि इसमें सारी कंडीशन है, कंडीशन वाइज अगर आप देखेंगे तो सारी कंडीशन आपकी क्लियर हो जाएंगी। ओके, तो अभी इसके बाद करेंगे कंडीशन नंबर थर्ड। सो कंडीशन नंबर थर्ड, in case of third, first point, subscription received in the year ended 31st March 2020. It means subscription received in current year. Next one, subscription outstanding in the beginning of the year ended 31st March 2020. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया बेटा, बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर इट मीन्स प्रीवियस ईयर। सो आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन करंट ईयर एडेड इन सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड्स, एंड आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर इट्स अमाउंट less in the amount of subscription. Third point, subscription not yet collected for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means ऐसी सब्सक्रिप्शन जो करंट ईयर में कलेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, इट मीन्स आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ फॉर करंट ईयर। So second point में outstanding subscription for previous year, and third point outstanding subscription for current year. So outstanding subscription of current year plus an outstanding subscription of previous year minus. So first one, subscription received amount rupees 25,000, add outstanding subscription for current year, it means end of the year 2020, rupees 5,000, less outstanding subscription of previous year, rupees 3,000. So outstanding current year plus an outstanding previous year minus, after calculation, amount received rupees 27,000. It is a subscription income for current year. So outstanding subscription current year plus an outstanding subscription of previous year minus from the subscription receipts. Clear? So ये था आपका केस नंबर थर्ड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24। अभी केस नंबर फोर्थ करेंगे बेटा। So case 4, subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020, rupees 80,000. Okay. Second, subscription outstanding in the beginning of the year ended 31st March 2020, it means previous year. Beginning of the year, it means previous year. So outstanding subscription of previous year minus subscription not yet collected for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means current year की सब्सक्रिप्शन आपको रिसीव नहीं हुई है. It means outstanding subscription for current year. So outstanding subscription for previous year rupees 5,000 minus and outstanding subscription for current year rupees 8,000. Its amount are plus. So fourth one, subscription received in advance for the year ended 31st March 2021. It means advance subscription for next year. So advance subscription received in previous year plus or advance subscription received for next year minus. तो ये क्वेश्चन आप ही लोग करेंगे. 80,000 माइनस 5,000 प्लस 8,000 माइनस 2,000. क्लियर? ओके. सो लास्ट कंडीशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, केस नंबर 5. सारी कंडीशन है इस क्वेश्चन में. फर्स्ट केस किया, सेकंड किया, थर्ड किया, फोर्थ एंड केस नंबर 5. So point number first, subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020. It means subscription received in current year, rupees 90,000. Second point, subscription outstanding at the end of the year ended 31st March 2019. It means outstanding subscription for previous year. Outstanding subscription current year plus outstanding subscription previous year minus. So its amount are minus. Next, third, subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019. Advance received a previous year plus and advance received for next year minus. So subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019, it means previous year. Advance subscription of previous year plus, तो ये 3,000 की अमाउंट क्या करेंगे आप? प्लस करेंगे बेटा. फोर्थ कंडीशन, subscription received in advance on 31st March 2020. तो subscription received in advance on 31st March 2020. 2020 में कोई भी आपको एडवांस अमाउंट रिसीव हुआ है, इट मीन्स कब का हुआ होगा? वो नेक्स्ट ईयर का. सो इट इज अ एडवांस रिसीव फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर रुपीज 4,000. सो इट इज इट्स अमाउंट आर लेसेस फ्रॉम अमाउंट रिसीव फॉर ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन. लास्ट वन, subscription not yet collected for the year ended 31st March 2020. It means current year की subscription आपको अभी रिसीव नहीं हुई है. It means outstanding subscription for current year. तो ये अमाउंट आप क्या करेंगे? प्लस. तो इस क्वेश्चन में outstanding subscription previous year 5,000 माइनस होगा. outstanding subscription current year 6,000 प्लस करेंगे. एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर 3,000 प्लस एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर माइनस. जो भी फॉर्मेट हमने आपको लिखाई थी उस फॉर्मेट में जो भी टर्म लिखे हैं सारे टर्म इस केस में आ गए हैं. तो ये आप सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा. थैंक यू बेटा. नेक्स्ट टर्म में रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा और इन क्वेश्चंस के सारे क्लिप मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. क्वेश्चन करने की जरूर कोशिश करें मेरे साथ में. थैंक यू.